Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. I saw a huge interest in the past period for my videos regarding coffee machines. I assume this is because a lot of us are using more and more our machines in this period and eventually they break down. That's why I thought it will be a cool idea to share my repair experience and show you the most common Dolce Gusto machine defects and how to fix them. If in the end you enjoyed this video and you want to see a similar one for Nespresso machines, please let me know in the comment section below. Afterwards, be sure to subscribe to not miss it. And now let's get down to business. My Dolce Gusto machine has low water pressure. This is really annoying, especially for lovers of short brews like ristretto and short espresso, leading in a extremely low and short brew. This is due to accumulation of lime and sediments from hard water on the internals of the unit. The fix is simple and implies a descaling of the unit. The manufacturer also recommends doing a descaling of the unit at least once a year for a casual user. The descaling process implies adding the descaling solution into the water tank and running the solution through the unit a couple of times. In case you don't have this descaling solution or is hard to come across, you can use normal vinegar instead. Vinegar is an acid that attacks lime scale. So add a mix of 50-50% of vinegar and water in the water tank and run it a couple of times. Be sure to run once some clean water in order to rinse the internals. You don't want your first coffee to have a sour taste, of course. My Dolce Gusto machine not pouring water or not pouring coffee. I have focused on this topic in a dedicated video where I have also shown in detail how this problem can be fixed. In most of the cases, this problem occurs due to a congested diffuser needle. The needle gets congested due to, you guessed it, lime scale. The fix is either change the diffuser, which by the way has this part number if you want to order it, or you can use the supplied needle cleaner provided by the manufacturer behind the water tank. If you are interested in the actual process of cleaning the needle, please follow my link in the description section below. My Dolce Gusto machine is leaking water under the unit. This problem is extremely annoying, not because it will affect the unit, since it will work just fine. It may affect your furniture or other electronics unit that are near your coffee machine. No one wants water all over the place. This occurs due to an old water tank gasket that has lost its sealing properties. Even though I have a video on my channel showing how to fix this gasket, I strongly recommend changing it with a new one since it's quite cheap. In order to change it, you need to remove a couple of screws and just swipe the new gasket. Of course, it will depend on the type of unit you have. Some are simpler to change and some are quite complicated, requiring a full unit disassembly. My Dolce Gusto machine power button is flashing or turned amber. At some point you will encounter this problem, and if you don't have the instruction manual to check what this means, it might be confusing. The amber light means that your unit automatically detects that your unit needs descaling. To fix this, follow the descaling instruction presented in the beginning of this video and then turn off the unit. Next time you turn it on, a green button will appear. My Dolce Gusto machine starts brewing and then turns off. This problem, I think, is one of the most common hardware failures of this type of machine. In order to fix this issue, you need some soldering skills and of course disassemble the unit and access the main PCB board. On the board there is a big blue box-looking capacitor under the heatsink. The capacitance of these components is going down with time and cannot keep the power in the circuit. Change this capacitor and your unit will work just fine afterwards. So these were the 5 common problems on Nescafe Dolce Gusto machines and how to fix them. I hope you like it. If so, give it a thumbs up. Put your questions in the comment section below, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.